Technology is not evolving anymore. Technology is the evolution. Rightly said by Clyde D'Souza. Now, I would like to ask Pranavesh sir what are his thoughts on this quote.
It is the same thing that we are using every day in, day out, and it is revolving around us. It is not the evolution. You can.
Avni ma'am, do you have something to ask the Brainiacs?
Sure. I just have, a few things to share with you. Well, why did you choose only this element of cybersecurity? And you started with fiber, right? There are quite a number of things that can also be covered. So just wanted to understand your perspective of just you choosing this element or this portion.
Cybersecurity is a very vast topic in consideration. So we wanted to take a look at one aspect and just explain the entire part of it. So the aspect that we looked for was to explain people how cybersecurity has evolved from the years, and it's not a new concept. It's been there from the 1800s, and it's been done for a long time. And how we can use some services like penetration testing, encryption software, something like that to just save it, because an eScan antivirus costs around 600 rupees, and it's a validity for 1 year. Whereas if you get your computer stolen by a ransomware, the Bitcoin amount that they ask for is 15,000 rupees for all your data and everything. And data is the new oil, as they say, and we need to protect data. And if we can protect it at such a low cost, then why not protect it? So that's what we aimed at, basically.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Moving on, now let me ask Sonu sir what are his views and what does he want to ask the Brainiac?
What the topic they have selected, I was also like, security is one of the very important aspects of technology right now. But I was little more, they need to put in a little more aspects of the security, right? It's not only about the hacking of the mobile phone or the data from the phone, but there can be little more about social elements, social platforms, which are actually they are the big concern for the security. So they might have put in little more details into it. That was my feedback.
Thank you, sir.
Priya ma'am, do you have something to ask or say to the Brainiacs?
Well, the topic definitely is of great interest to me, and we were talking about something similar earlier. Having said that, I would say that where we are in 2020 with cybersecurity and things like that, we can always try to see what is happening while we are making the presentation right now. So understanding and giving a kind of conclusion to everything is very much needed. I think it can be done in a better manner. Yeah, but amazing subject, dude. Like for you guys and for as kids, taking up cybersecurity again, one of the commonly spoken about subject in governance, in healthcare, even in finance. So yeah, come to conclusions also, kind of a thing. That's it. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks.
I add one more thing here.
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the topic is good, cybersecurity. I think they would have given little examples, because everybody, as Priya rightly said, everybody is talking about cybersecurity, but still many of the people are not clear about what actually it is. If they would have taken little examples in that, it would have made more clear for the people to understand it.
Agreed. A little more. That's why I kind of mentioned that you guys should see what other companies are doing right now, or probably what India as a country has reached with cybersecurity, and where are we, with the blockchain of the defense and things like that. Then it will become a little more realistic, so connection with the audience as well as understanding. हमें तो पता है कि cyber security क्या है. हमें पता चलना चाहिए प्रेजेंटेशन में कि आपको अच्छे से पता है वो क्या क्या यूज हो रहे हैं.
Right, because as per their presentation, it was more of a theoretical rather than more explanatory, wherein the people, the masses should understand it.
Agreed.
So that's it for now.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Now moving on, I would like to ask Pranavesh sir, what are his thoughts on today's presentation?
I would rather say what I completely agree to Priya and Sonu here. A ransomware and WannaCry is one of the major cybersecurity failure that happened, incident that happened with HDFC Bank also. HDFC Bank, which is very, 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 very huge security aspects पे जब उन लोग बैठते हैं, and there are some major organization which has been impacted with WannaCry and ransomware. So ransomware is one of the it is a cyber cell, sleeping cyber cell कैसे कहते हैं हम लोग, sleeping cells. So वो sleeping cell जैसे है, उन लोग क्या करते हैं, छोड़ देते हैं system में, they'll sit somewhere and वहाँ उन लोग अंडे देते हैं. So it is that way, and it goes on to thousands and thousands and millions and like this. They sleep, and then when the attack is to be happen, they all get up and the attack happens, and you can't do anything of that. You can't do, the entire system is crashed. You will have to only give money and get out of that crash. There is only one option. So also, if you want to understand what is cyber security, so cyber security has three different aspects towards it. So उसमें hacking क्या होता है? अगर ये hacking का अगर आप थोड़ा बहुत elements अगर आप डाल देते थे hackers के, तो hackers क्यों करते हैं? First of all, why does cyber security comes in picture? अगर इसका element कहीं ना कहीं add हो जाता था ना, तो this would have. पेपर में कितने आर्टिकल्स आए हैं साइबर सिक्योरिटी के रिलेटेड, जैसे सोनू सर ने कहा कुछ एग्जांपल्स. सो आर्टिकल्स वुड हैव बीन मोर फिजिबल टू इट. सो लाइकवाइज व्हाटएवर यू हैव डन इज एब्सोल्युटली गुड, मगर मसाला नहीं मिला वापस से. सो
we tried to put we put 8 examples over the entire world about cybersecurity different sectors. For example,
agreed. Agreed. मैं ना नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. पॉइंटर्स डालने के बाद है ना, जब आपका एक्सप्लेनेशन चालू है ना, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल योर एक्सप्लेनेशन इज kind of a Rajdhani Express which goes on. So you tend to be very, very fast while you speak. So moving. Yes, Sonu, boliye.
Yeah, here I want to put what Adit said. You have given the examples. These are the examples which people are not able to relate to their lives. Any examples which you can make them relate to their life, they are more acceptable and put the pressure on the mind. So if you give the examples which are relatable, that gives a bigger impact than the examples which are there in the history, right? So that is my point. If you would have tried to put in the realistic, maybe smaller examples, the people will relate it more. Otherwise, today everybody is talking about cybersecurity and everybody knows about cybersecurity, but they don't know the real impact of it and the real problem. They don't understand the real problem, why it is the problem for me. Because the examples which you have given, Boeing, okay, is it a problem for me as an individual? No. So people are still understanding that cyber security is a problem for big organizations. They are not understanding it that this is a problem for a individual. So if you would have related that individual to the cyber security, people will like it more.
Okay, sir.
Great. Up till now, whatever you gave was absolutely fantastic. That is not a problem. But और ज़्यादा realistic target audience अभी आप जान चुके हो. अभी आप जान चुके कि who's my target audience, who's gonna be listening to it. Now, if you say आज अगर आप आपकी उम्र क्या है? Maybe 2022. Would this be a age group? Now, when you say 2022, if I may say anything to an age group of 13 to 18, they'll understand. They'll say, okay, they'll not head, but they'll not go dig deep. अरे यार ये क्या बोल रहा है करके वो भी हो सकते हैं, वो भी कैटेगरी के अभी अच्छे ऐसे बच्चे हैं जो डिग डीप करने वाले हैं कि ये भाई पागल बना रहा है मेरे को यहाँ पर बैठ के. But when you're talking to some experts on the platform, you need to understand what are you talking about, what examples are you giving about relating to their life experience, relatable to their daily routine and stuff, so that this goes really smooth and masala milta hai. Understand? Okay, anyway, I am said what I wanted to. Next time you may take care of it.
Hereby, we come to an end with the first presentation of the third genre, technology. I hope you all enjoyed it.
That was an amazing session. Thank you everyone for attending it and making it successful. See you guys in the next episode.